Welcome. In front of me is a NUBIA Red Magic 5S, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this phone. So, to get started, you will need to grab one of these things, a SIM eject tool, which comes provided with the device in the box. Or you could also use a paper clip genuine on the ends, and it should work just as well. Anyway, once you get one of them, you want to pop out the SIM tray, which is located at the bottom of the phone, right here as you can see. Now keep in mind there are two different pinholes. There is one closer to the charging port and the one that is closer to the edge. You want to utilize the one that is basically closer to the edge, part of the cutout that you can see right here. So once you push it in, you can see that the tray pops out, and it looks like I might have lied. We cannot insert a SD card in here, so I'm gonna get rid of that. It only supports 2 SIM cards. Now you can occupy either one of the trays on either side. It doesn't really matter which one you occupy, or you can use both of them at the same time. Anyway, from here let's just pop our card back into our phone, and it should start working immediately, so let's give it a second. And there we go. It's telling me to confirm my PIN for the SIM card, so I'm gonna quickly do that, and that unlocks my SIM card. So anyway, that is how you could insert your SIM, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.